Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Maths. Today we are going to see the topic 10th standard Karnataka and NCERT syllabus arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 few sums. Okay. Before going to the exercise 1 by 3, you have to know the formulas of sum of arithmetic progression. Okay. Sum means you should add all the numbers in that sequence. That is the sum. So what is the formula? The sum denoted as Sn. That means number of terms. Okay, nth term sum. So what is formula means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In case last term is given means Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. That's all. Okay. In this 2a, we created a plus a. So, a plus n minus 1 into d is last term. Like that. Okay. This formula also it comes as the basic of general form of arithmetic progression only. You want to know about this formula. As usual, a means first term, n means number of term, l means last term, d means common difference, Sn means sum of all the terms. Okay. Now, we are going to solve the sums now. See the first one, 9, 17, 25 give sum of 336. Sum, if you add all the sums, 336 should comes. So, how many terms you should add? It comes as 336. That is the question. Okay. So, first you have to write, yes, what is the given? What are the given things? A means first term. What is the first term? 9. Okay. Next, D means common difference. Second term minus first term. That is 8. Okay. Next, Sn. Sum of all the terms 336. You should find n value. You should find n value. Okay. How to find the n value? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1 formula is there. But here L we don't know. So using Sn formula. Okay. What is Sn formula? If L given means second formula. Here L is not given. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, you substitute and simplify, you can get the answer. Sn is how much? 336. N we don't know. N by 2. 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1. D is 8. Next, n by 2. 2 nines are 18 plus 8 into n 8 and minus 1 into 8 8. Simplify this. N by 2. 18 minus 8 is what? 18 minus 8 is 10. So, 10 plus 8n. Okay. This side 336. This 2 here division. This side it comes as multiplication. So, 336 into 2. This n is common for both the terms. So, you just multiply. N into 10, 10n. Plus 8, n into n square. Okay, it is looking like one quadratic equation. You take like that, 8n square plus 10n. This is this side plus. So, this side come as 336 into 2. That is equal to 0. All are even numbers. So, you have to divide by 2. Divided by 2 means 4n square plus 5n minus this 2 is cancelled. 336 equal to 2. 0. Okay. Now, it is looking like a quadratic equation because the power is 2. So, we have to find the solution. How to find the solution? For factorization, you should factor. So, how to factor? If n squared there is no coefficient means write this term only. But coefficient there, multiple these two, write on this top. Because plus into minus minus. 4 6 are 24, remaining 2, 4 3s are 12 to 14, remaining 1, 4 6 are 24 and 25. Write this value as under plus 5. So, 2 large number we need because this is more than 2000. But it is the 5 only. So, 2 large number but both are the nearest number. So, the answer will be 48 and 53. 48 and 53 is 2544. Okay, so 48 minus 53 also 5 only. Now you have to check the sign only. The center is plus means greater number is plus, smaller is minus. That's all. Okay. Now we need n value. This is 4n value. This is 4n value because the coefficient is there, you know. You should divide this by the coefficient. So here minus 12, this is 53 by 4. Is it clear? Now the n is equal to, you just change the sign and write. Minus 12 means plus 12 comma minus 53 by 4. Number of terms never comes as a fraction because 10 terms, 12 terms, like that only we are telling. Not 11th and of term, 12th and of term, not like that. So number of terms never comes as a fraction or decimal. So n equal to 12 is the exact answer. So totally in the sequence, if you continue like this, if you add 12 numbers, you can get the 336. Okay. This is the quadratic equation. You know, already learnt in the lower class. You just apply that concept and write. Okay. Next question. Second and third terms are 14 and 18. Find the sum of first 51 terms. So the what is the given? First 51 terms means n is 51. Okay. Next, second and third term. What is the general format? A plus D, A plus 2D, like that. So, first term I don't know, second term is 14, third term is 18, remaining I don't know, leave. So, consecutive two numbers is there. So, shall I find the difference? Yes, we can. So, 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4. D value is 4. Now, I want to find the A value. Okay, see here, 14. So, this is A term. This is what? A plus D. A plus D is 14 because second term. Okay, so A value I don't know. D is 4. That is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 plus 4 comes this side minus 4. That is equal to 10. So A value is 10. Now I found that A value, N value, D value. We have to find sum of first 51 terms. So you just write Sn. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first S 51 terms. 51 by 2. 2 into a is what? 10. Plus 51 minus 1. D is what? 4. You just simplify this. 51 by 2. 2 into 10, 20. Plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. That is equal to 51 by 2. 20 plus 54 are 200. Next 51 by 2 into 220. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 1 2 0. So 51 into 0. Okay. 51 into 110. So you just multiply with 11. It's enough. Okay. So what is the 51 into the this one? 1, 6, 1 and the 0. Okay. Sorry. 51 into 110. The last one 0. So 51 into 11 is 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 1, 0. This is the sum of all the terms. This is the sum of all the terms. Otherwise, in the 11 means I told you shortcut this one and the last number adding these two. Then the number. This will be the answer. Okay. So, sum of the terms. Is it clear? Because second and third term, two consecutive terms are there. They only given it is AP. So, subtract these two, you can get the D value. Second term is A plus D. Substitute, you can get the A value. And substitute the formula, you can get the answer. Is it clear? We can see few more sums now. Can we continue the next sum? AN is one format, is one expression like given. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Okay. So it is 51, sorry, it is first 15 terms. So you just, I want to find sum means I need N, A value, D value. Otherwise I need N, A value, L value. N is clearly they are given, it is 15. So I need A. A means first term. So N equal to 1 means A1. First term you can got 5 minus 9 minus 5 into n place replace as 1. 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So A value is 4. I need D means at least I want to find the second then only second term minus first term I can get D value. So apply n is equal to 2. You can get second term A2. 9 minus 5 into 2. So 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, because smaller number minus greater number means you should write minus 1. Now it is the first term, next is minus 1, next it will continue like this. So you have to find the D, second term minus first term. So both are same sign, add and write the same sign. So D is minus 5. Okay, now I know A value, D value and N value. So substitute. Yes, N is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so N how much? 15 by 2 because S 15. Next, 2 into A is how much? 4 plus 15 minus 1 into D is how much? Minus 5. So 15 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 15 minus 1 is 10. 10 into minus 5. 15 by 2, 8 plus into minus minus 10 5s are 50. Next 15 by 2, the same concept. Smaller number minus larger number means minus, as usual do the subtraction. 42. Now cancel things. 1 2 is 2, 2 1. So 15 into minus 21. 15 into minus 21. So the answer will be what? 315 minus 315. Is it clear? Sorry, by mistakenly it comes 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay, so 14 into minus 5 is minus 70. So it is not a 42, it is the 62. So cancelling you can get 31. So 31 means the answer will come what? 465 plus into minus minus. So yes, 15th answer is minus 465. Is it clear? So small subtraction only, children. You have to concentrate and do the sums. Okay. Next, another one sum is that this question is 700 rupees. You have to give the 7 prices. Sum of rupees 700. You have to give 7 prices. How many prices? 7 prices. So n is equal to 7. Each price's value, rupees value is 20 decreased. That means D is each price difference. Okay. Decrease means minus 20. Increasing is plus 20. Decreasing is minus 20. Now we know D value, N value, and this is total. Sum is how much? 700. That we are knowing. So we have to find the A value. First price is how much? All the prices value we should find out. Okay. So write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is how much? 700. N is 7 by 2. Then 2a means 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20. Next 700, that is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20. Next 700 equal to 7 by 2, 2a, 6 2s are 12 minus 120. Okay, now you just, this 7 by 2 common for both the terms. This 7 by 2 is common for both the terms. So 7 by 2 into 2a minus 7 by 2 into 120. Okay, this 2 and 2 cancel. 1 2 is 6. Now 7a minus 7 6 are 42. This is the 700. So we keep a only, means 700 minus come this side plus 420. So 7a is equal to 1120. You just adding this two. We need a value. So 1120 divided by a, 7 equal to 1 7 is 7, remaining 4 6 0. So first price rupees is 160. If first price is 160 means next price reducing 20. So 140, next is 120, next is 100, next is 80, next is 60, next is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the 7 prices are. If you want, you can add, you can get 700. That's all. Okay children, I hope you are understand practicing more sums. Thank you.